Let me silence. Ready?
I'm gonna cry.
We're ready.
First of all, a question: is everyone that's here sleeping here?
Yes.
All right. You know what? Is everyone gonna help me tomorrow morning to clean up?
Yes. I'll clean right now.
No.
We've been cleaning all night. I'm happy every Sunday morning.
All right. Is everyone here? Ready? Is everyone here to celebrate? Celebrate the life. We're not gonna cry. We're not gonna mourn because we're gonna celebrate. We're gonna celebrate the fact that Matt lived for 16 years. And honestly, he lived
17
years. Thank you for the correction. And honestly, we're here. Honestly, a lot of people came. A lot of people changed the house. We're gonna clean more. Who cares? The reason why we're here is because all of us. No, Heather, I'm gonna help you. The reason why we're here.
I don't respect at all.
We fucking love Matt. The reason why we're here is because we have respect for Matt and we love Matt.
Wait, can I say something?
Let's talk. Let's hear it, Matt.
Everyone, Alex, let's hear it, Alex. Say
Guys,
what you feel.
I just sent a text message to him. Cause like I know he has it in heaven, and like I told him how much I love him.
I love him. Like, we all love him. Honestly, we don't want to be sad because Matt would want us to be so happy right now. Okay, let me just say something. Matt's here. If Matt's here,
Heather wants to say something.
Heather, let's hear it. I'm telling Matt, like,
Fuck
he's
you
here right now.
because you were fucking.
Heather wants to say something.
I'm going to pretend like Matt's here. I'm going to tell him.
Let's do it.
Matt is here. What are you talking about? Matt is sitting right here on the couch. He's there.
On Sarah Perry's head.
That's where is she? She won't even remember. Cause where is she? That breaks. Yeah. Ow, my toe! Heather! House rules! Heather, what
I love this.
I
need a beer.
I just want to tell Matt something, guys. Guys, Heather,
Tell us.
in 8th grade, Matt, I was in love with you.